our next guest, well, she can handle pressure in the kitchen. She won 2 Food Network shows, Chopped and beat Bobby Flay, and she did do that. She joins us right now. Chef, welcome, and tell us about the rising popularity of brunch.
Yeah, to me, brunch is just another time you can get to spend quality hours with your family and friends. And in my new cookbook, Food is Love, I talk about recipes that kind of combine the best of breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And I want to share some tips and some unique ways to be able to build a menu in order to celebrate National Brunch Month.
Well, Chef Patel, let's do it. Where do we start?
Brunch at my house always starts with a freshly brewed cup of coffee. That's how I welcome my guests. And if you're looking for kind of a crowd favorite, check out Starbucks limited edition at-home spring coffees, including the new Starbucks brown sugar cinnamon flavor coffee that's also available as a cold brew concentrate. Now, I love things on ice. And they've got 2 returning seasonal favorites, the Spring Day Blend and a toasted coconut mocha flavored coffee available in K-Cup or ground. And since spring has started, I've kind of incorporated Spring Day Blend into my morning ritual. Sometimes if I'm feeling iced, sometimes I'm feeling hot. You can find them at your local grocery store or online for a limited times.
Some of your top tips for brunch. What are a few that you could share with us today?
Yeah, so I'm going to share with you a couple of tips to really up-level your brunch. I love putting together a charcuterie board, and I added to the charcuterie board Sunsweet Probiotic Plus prunes. Now, they bring a level of sweetness to cut through some of those salty cheeses and the spicy dips. And then you can elevate your typical brunch drinks with this mule mocktail using Sunsweet Amazing Prune Juice. I like serving the mocktail with a delicious prune cinnamon swirled bread. And then I recommend to people that you can also bake with prunes. You can add them to recipes for natural sweetness and moisture. And using these tips to bring some feel-good vibes to your brunch, using Sunsweet Amazing Prunes, Amazing Prune Juice, and Probiotic Plus Prunes. I feel like they're a perfect brunch companion.
You know we love recipes. What might just jump to your mind today as one of those recipes you could share?
Yeah, in my cookbook, I have a recipe for a no-egg frittata. This is made with chickpea flour, potatoes, peppers, and onions, and spices. It's a make-ahead recipe that you can make ahead of time before your guests arrive. It gives you a little bit more time to be at the table with them, and then you bring it out to the table for oohs and ahs.
Chef Patel, it certainly sounds it. And with that said, what about desserts? Because I saved some room.
Well, I'm a Georgia girl, so in my cookbook I have a peach and semolina cake that you can make ahead as well. You can use frozen peaches if peaches aren't in season, and you can serve this room temperature with a scoop of ice cream, or you can serve it warm out of the oven.
Delicious indeed, and I so enjoy our time talking with you, Chef Patel. Congratulations on all your well-deserved success. As we wrap, do share with us where we can go for more information, and do let us know how we can pre-order your book.
Yeah, you can get more information on tipsontv.com. My cookbook, Food is Love, is available for pre-sale at all major retailers, including Amazon.